fifth sum, one of the biggest sum in this exercise. See, they given to prove, they given two solutions in prunus. They given cos power 4 divided by cos square 4 alpha divided by cos square beta plus sin power 4 alpha divided by sin square beta is equal to 1. First, I am going to make a cross multiplication with this. What it comes? Cos power 4 alpha into sin square beta plus sin power 4 alpha into cos square beta divided by these two we need to multiply. Cos square beta into sin square beta is equal to 1. Since for first solution only sin is present, I am going to put this cos as sin. How I am going to make? Before making, I want to do cos square alpha the whole square. I can write as cos power 4 alpha is cos square alpha the whole square into sin square beta plus sin power 4 alpha into cos square beta is equal to this one moves here. What it becomes? Cos square beta into sin square beta. Cos square beta into sin square beta. We know cos square alpha column. What is cos square alpha? 1 minus sin square alpha. What is cos square alpha? 1 minus sin square alpha. See, the square is present. Next is sin square beta plus sin power 4 alpha. What is cos square beta? 1 minus sin square beta. Cos square beta. Here beta is, I need to put beta. Next, what is cos square beta? 1 minus sin square beta into sin square beta. So how I can here a minus b the whole square formula. A square plus b square. B square means we already square, so once again square will become sin power 4 alpha. Outside bracket is sin power 4 alpha. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, nothing but minus 2 sin square alpha. Now close the bracket. Put outside sin square beta plus multiply inside. Before multiplying, it is better to keep as it is. After multiplying, I will multiply all the terms in this line itself. So put as it is sin power 4 alpha, open the bracket, 1 minus sin square beta is equal to 1 minus sin square beta, open the bracket, into sin square beta. Now multiply each and every term. So it's very easy. Sin square beta into 1 is nothing but sin square beta. Sin square beta plus here sin power alpha. So we can write sin power 4 alpha into sin square beta. Here minus, so put minus 2 sin square alpha into sin square beta. This is multiply this one. Now multiply this with sin power 4 alpha into 1. Sin power 4 alpha plus into minus minus. Multiply this. Sin power 4 alpha. Sin power 4 alpha into sin square beta is equal to, multiply with this, 1 into sin square beta minus sin square beta and sin square beta minus sin power 4 beta. 1 into sin square beta minus sin power 4 beta. Now see whether which terms are cancellation is possible. Sin power 4 alpha sin square beta, sin power 4 alpha sin square beta. This one is plus, this one minus, we can easily cancel. Next, another cancellation possible. Check it. Sin power 4 alpha, here sin square beta. See, this is plus sin square beta, this one plus sin square beta. It will cancel. Then what is the present here? Sin power 4 alpha, here minus sin square beta. Here minus 2 sin square alpha. I will arrange it properly. Then you can see. First write this one. Sin power 4 alpha. Next, let come this side. This minus will become, if we come this side, this minus will become plus sin power 4 beta. If this moves on right hand side, this minus will move to right, becomes plus 2 sin square alpha sin square beta. Now check the prunus of first solution. Sin power 4 alpha, sin power 4 alpha. Sin power 4 beta, sin power 4 beta is equal to 2 sin square alpha, sin square beta. Hence, first subdivision is proved. Hence, we have proved the first subdivision. See, this minus for this one become plus, this minus from this one become plus, sin power 4 alpha, sin power 4 alpha, sin square beta, sin square, sin power 4 alpha beta, sin power 4 beta, 2 sin square alpha, sin square beta, 2 sin square alpha, sin square beta. Hence, prove the first subdivision. Next, I need to prove the second subdivision. For proving the second subdivision, I need some results. So, what is taking the first subdivision? I want to taking the first subdivision. What is the first subdivision here? Sin power 4 alpha plus sin power 4 beta is equal to 2 sin square alpha into sin square beta. This is the first subdivision. Let this come on side, it will become minus. Before taking minus, I am going to rewrite as sin square alpha the whole square plus this one sin square beta the whole square. Sin square beta the whole square. Next, this will come this way, becomes minus 2 sin square alpha into sin square beta is equal to 0. This the formula is nothing but a minus b the whole square formula. A minus b the whole square formula. This we going to take as a. This is going to be b. This is 2 into a into b. So how I can write? A is nothing but sin square alpha. B is sin square beta. So formula is a minus b the whole square. So sin square alpha minus sin square beta the whole square is equal to 0. If the square is there becomes nothing, so I can write as sin square alpha is equal to sin square alpha minus sin square beta is equal to 0. We can remove the squares. So this moves on right hand side, becomes sin square alpha is equal to sin square beta. Simply we can place removing the squares, which becomes sin alpha is equal to sin beta. This is the important result for this sum. We can keep it as equation. This is keep it as equation 1. This one is keep it as equation 2. So we have got sin alpha is equal to sin beta. Once again use equation 1. What is equation 1? Sin square alpha is equal to sin square beta. We know what is sin square alpha? 1 minus cos square alpha. Sin square beta 1 minus cos square beta. So 1 get cancelled, minus and minus gets cancelled. Cos square alpha is equal to cos square beta. Removing squares, we are going to get cos alpha is equal to cos beta. Cos alpha is equal to cos beta. Keep it as equation 3. These two results only going to be used. So what are you going to do? So we will take the second subdivision, LHS of second subdivision. LHS of second subdivision is something for this one. Cos power 4 beta divided by cos square alpha plus sin power 4 beta divided by sin square alpha is equal to, write the numerator as it is, cos power 4 beta divided by, we know cos square. What is cos alpha? Cos alpha we can write as cos beta. It's the same. Cos square alpha we can write as cos square beta plus, write the numerator as it is, sin power 4 beta. We know sin alpha is equal to sin beta. If we are going to put 2 sin square alpha, we can write as sin square beta. So I am going to write sin square alpha as sin square beta because alpha is equal to beta. Alpha is equal to beta. In place of alpha, I can put beta. In place of alpha, I am going to put beta. So if I am going to cross multiply, this cos square beta and power gets cancelled 2. This sin square beta and power cancel gets 2. So cos square beta plus sin square beta, nothing but identity is equal to 1, nothing but RHS. Hence subdivision 2 is proved.